Alright, so guys, we've got 150 books to unbox. Let's get it, man. Alright, so trying to remember exactly what's in here. I think there's a lot of Nice House on the Lakes, some other stuff like that. And yes, so let's do this. Okay, we're gonna kind of go fast because we got a lot of books. So we got Wonder Girl #1, Clara Cohen.
Whoa.
Yep. We got the Batman 108, John Boy.
That's cool.
Minimal. Oh, this is a nice one. Birth of She-Devil #1. This is the Ji-Hung Lee.
Instagram is
Maybe do something like this. Okay. And Venom #1 from the Donny Cates run, the Perio.
Oh.
Yeah, this was a shared exclusive, like a convention variant.
That one's awesome.
Yep. Okay, another Wonder Girl 9/8. Jeez. Oh, yes, some people were waiting for this. Okay. This one's kind of gonna have to edit this slightly. This is Star Wars Revenge of the Fifth Naughty. So there's some guys asking for that.
Does YouTube not let you do?
Yeah.
It has to be for educational purposes.
They don't like that.
Purposes only.
Okay.
That's
Nice House on the Lake. John Gang. Minimal, I believe. Or is it Virgin?
Is that-
Virgin. That's the Virgin.
Yeah, that looks a little different than the one that we have here.
Yeah, we
Why?
only had a very few of those. That's the Virgin.
Interesting. I like that one.
Okay, Faro's MJ and Gwen. Another Naughty. Okay. And sorry, there's gonna be no close-ups on the Naughties, guys.
Sorry.
So, sorry.
Wah, wah.
YouTube will not like that when we go to upload the video, so you gotta stay on the good graces. Alright. Batman 108 Zerdy Trade. Don't know if I can double stack those. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Jamie's gonna love to see that one.
That's
The
nice.
Faro's Metal Slabbed. And I'm pretty sure, guys, that those are both spoken for already.
Oh.
I could be wrong, but
Juicy Dragon was wondering what's the price on Venom.
that Venom is 120, and I know that that one is not spoken for. So
Oh,
we can,
So let me know, Juicy, if you want it.
yeah,
Let me know.
we can add that in. All right, Batman 108, the Clara Cohen Virgin.
Oh, I haven't seen that one.
Yeah, that's another one that we did not have a lot of, and most of them ended up going to CGC. Another Zerdy. Two more John Jang Virgins. Nice House on the Lake. The second Faro Metal that they're both smoking for.
Price on the Phoenix book in the middle. Unfortunately, they're spoken for. Right?
Yeah, I'm sorry that both of those are gone.
Yeah.
We got, looks like some rejects here, maybe 2. Okay, 1, 2. 2 more John Boy Batman minimals. Another John Jang Virgin.
RWM, we do have one raw metal Phoenix. If you
Yes.
did want that one. And that one's gonna be $90 for the raw.
Does that mean it's not Tesla?
Okay, 2 more John Jangs. Virgins. Another Faros. MJ and Gwen. Okay, that box is down. Second box back here, guys. Let's do this. All right. Venom 26, Shannon Mayer. One, two, 3 Nottingham. Nico Suyans. That is a pretty hot book. Those are available, and I actually don't know what the price is going to be on those.
But I can check it.
You can check it. Okay, some more Berserkers.
Oh, finally, someone. Did you ever get in contact with the guy that was looking for him? Or did he get in
Not
contact?
sure. There's been a couple people wanting Berserkers. So that's the 1 for 50 Bermejo Virgin. And 2 more of those.
I know we have people looking for those.
Yeah, we have a couple orders that are waiting for those too.
Yeah, all of these are modern books.
Another Bermejo 9/8. And we got 2 of the Mora 9/8, which that's one of my personal
That's
favorites.
a new one.
And the second one. Berserker A. Another Venom 26. Okay, 2 Berserker cover Bs. Berserker 1 for 25. Yep, Keanu Reeves goodness. Coming to Netflix sometime soon. Okay, another of the 1 for 50 Bermejos. 2 more of the 1 for 25 Grandpas. All right, another 1 for 50. Proctor Valley Road Virgin Cornhall 9/8. These were sold out. I believe these ones are still available, but kind of heated up after all the next option news on that series. Okay, this is Black of Heart #1, Jimbo Salgado, and we were just talking about the full metal jacket, guys. Rear cover metal also. 1 of 1. This is our file copy, so this will never be sold.
I'm seeing though, because he's not using that stand over there, I thought we were going to.
Oh, can we fit stuff on that one?
Well, no, I wanted to move it over. It's fine, do it.
Okay. And 3 more Berserker cover A's. All right, so that's the first 2 boxes. Gonna take a minute to get this stuff kind of organized. Box 3, guys, let's go. Oh. All right. Marvel's #1 Qua Virgin. Marvel's #1, the 1 for 25. And another one of those. All right, we got 3, the Miles 25 in Hyuk Virgins. And 2 more there. Marvel's Qua Trade. Two more of those. Another Qua Trade Marvels. 2 more Virgins. Three more in Hyuk Virgins. Three Unhyuk trades. Three more Qua Marvel trades. And 3 more Qua Marvel Virgins. All right, well that was a pretty fast box right there. All right, here we go. Box number 4. Ooh. That's not good. That looks like it could be, I don't know, it doesn't feel very heavy, but usually this is like multiple rejects when that happens. Let's do a quick look now. 23, so two rejects, guys. Usually this is scary because because that can be like a lot, but only 2, so it's not the end of the world. Okay. Death Metal #1, Ryan Brown, trade. Venom 31, Kyle Hotz, trade.
JJ Rex said them a lot of slabs.
Yes. 150.
But
We're missing
they're
2
just not
boxes,
here.
so it'll be 100 today, and then we'll do the other 50 tomorrow, and then when we upload the video to YouTube, it'll be 150. Venom 1, Kyle Hotz. Oh, sorry. Venom 31, Kyle Hotz, Virgin.
Oh, that one's beautiful.
Another Venom 31. Trade drugs. Death Metal trade. And a Death Metal minimal. Ryan Brown.
Color is slightly different too.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
It is.
Oh, it was.
Yeah. The red pops. I never noticed that before. Yeah, but when you put them right in front of the next one,
Yeah.
the red pops on that minimal there. Okay. Savage #1, Jimbo Salgado. This is one of our exclusives. And then put the spoiler panel, the villains from the back page. Okay, another one of those. Savage black and white.
Oh, that's cool.
This one's limited to 250, and the trade dress is limited to 500. And the Virgin, again limited to 250. One more copy of the Virgin. More Batman 108 Cohen Virgins. Got mixed into a different submission. Second copy of the Savage black and white. More Nottinghams. They got jumped to a different box too, it looks like. And another one. This is nice.
I'm excited.
Yeah, because this is a book that we're sold out of, and now we got some more action.
Aha!
The White Widow Day and Nights connecting. Let's see, I think I'm gonna have to do like this. Day. Right. And they actually connect both ways, guys, so you can connect it the other way too if you want. And then here's another night, and hopefully we have another day.
Oh, that would suck if that
It would
was
suck if that was one of the rejects,
Oh,
but you never know. If that was one of the rejects, guys, we're gonna get that thing pressed and sent again. Oh, thank God.
okay.
There it is. Okay.
Okay, we're
We
good.
can't lose the set, guys. We can't lose the set. All right, so we're good there. Another Death Metal minimal. And Black Cat Ryan Brown trade. All right, that's it for box 4. On to 5. All right, guys, here we go. Box number 5. Oh, here we go. Phantom on the Scam.
Oh, nice.
Piper Ruddock. That's the Virgin, which is limited to, oh boy, I'm trying to remember, either 100 or 150 copies.
I forgot what you're doing slabs. I gotta see these things.
Yeah, I think we were only doing 3. Maybe we can get 4. I don't know.
We can. Because this is already in the past.
Whoa.
Okay. Batman 108, the 1 for 25 there, with Miracle Molly on it. And we have another one of those. So maybe gonna be a whole bunch of Batman 108s in here. Oh, look at that. Looks so good in the slab. It's the Batman 108, the 1 for 50
Whoa.
art germ foil.
Oh, that's cool. Virgin on the back.
Virgin, yeah, or
Trade on the
Virgin
front.
on the front with the trade on the back.
That's cool.
I wonder if, CGC won't mess up and put one in backwards because the slime will be on the other side. Okay, 2 more of the 1 for 25s.
Those are all 9/8s?
Unless there's a 9/9. It's all pre-screened, so.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is the, boy, I'm trying to remember which, if this was a 1 for 25, probably Wonder Girl. I don't think it's a 1 for 50. And 2 more of the 1 for 50 art germs.
Oh, that's awesome. I like art gem.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm thinking it'd be a whole bunch of Batman 108s in there. Okay, another one of the Wonder Girl. I believe that's a 1 for 25. And then this is the J. Scott Campbell 1 for 50.
Oh, no way.
Yep, I knew Jamie'd like that one
Of
because.
course. That's a throwback of all these posters I have in the background.
Yep, all the early image.
Top Cow.
And 1 more of the 1 for 50s. Okay, Legends of the Dark Knight, number 1, the 1 for 25. Federici.
Is that Luthor? When he becomes like part cyborg?
No, I think that's Mr. Freeze.
Oh.
You can kinda
Oh, I
it
see
as
the helmet. Now I see it.
All right, Marvel's number 1, Alan Qua. I can't remember if we had some of these in the other boxes or not. It's possible we did. Okay, another Marvel's Qua trade and a Virgin.
Oh, the Virgin is so much
Yes.
better. You actually see what he drew.
Yes, 1 more Virgin. Yeah, they that's just the way they did the trade for all of the books in that series, which is kind of interesting, I guess. But yeah, there's so much more detail work that you get to see. So 2 more Virgins and a Phantom on the Scan Piper Ruddock trade dress. That one I think was limited to 175. It was 175 and 100 on the Virgin. Two more trades. 2 more Virgins. And that's it for that box. So box number 5 was 25 for 25. So
Wow.
can't beat that. All right, on to box 6. Let's do it. All right, guys, here we go. Last but not least, box 6. Oh, some Shadow Mans. Shadow Man Zoo War Zoo.
Nice.
Black and white, limited to 250. Really was hoping that this book would make it further into the Valiant Comic Fans Cover of the Year contest, but didn't make it past the first round, unfortunately. Here's a Virgin, also limited to 250. Can't complain too much because Miko won, so 2 more Virgins and 2 trade dresses. Another trade dress. 2 more Virgins. 2 more black and whites. Another black and white. Alien Ryan Brown Virgin. Another Zoo black and white. Another Alien Virgin. Four more Alien Virgins. Some rejects. Don't know how many. It's pretty light, so hopefully maybe no more than 2. Two more. 2 more Virgins. Another Virgin. Now this is a cool one. Joker 2, the secret 1 for 50 variant. That's the first print.
Nice.
And the Joker 2 second print, 1 for, I believe this was a 1 for 25. And we did send 2 of these, and that's it for the box. So that's got to be at least one of those books. But at least this one, the first print, made it. That was a super crazy hot book when that thing first came out. All right, that is it, guys. 150 books. Pretty good. I don't know exactly how many rejects we got, but not too many. Probably less than 10 overall, possibly less than that even. We'll take a look at those later, maybe resubmit some of them if we feel we need to. Let's get you guys some close-ups. Venom 26, Shannon Mayer. Trade dress, limited to 3,000 copies. Proctor Valley Road, Corin Howell. Virgin, limited to 500 copies. Birth of She-Devil #1, Ji-Hun Lee. Limited to 500 copies. Venom #1, Perio. Convention exclusive, limited to 1,000 copies. Batman 108, Claire Cohen. Virgin, limited to 1,000 copies. Faro's Phoenix Metal. limited to 200 copies. Batman 108 Zerdy trade dress, limited to 3,000 copies. Nice House on the Lake, John Jang, Virgin, limited to 1,000 copies. Wonder Girl, Clara Cohen, Virgin, limited to 1,000 copies. Berserker cover A, Grandpa. Berserker cover B, Mark Brooks. Berserker 1 for 25, Grandpa. Berserker 1 for 50, Brooks, Virgin. Berserker 1 for 200, Mora. One of my personal favorites. Black of Heart number 1, Jimbo Salgado, Metal. Full Metal Jacket, 1 of 1. This is our file copy. Nottingham number 1, Miko Suyan, limited to 200 copies. Miles Morales Spider-Man 25, In-Hyuk Lee trade dress, limited to 3,000 copies. Miles 25, In-Hyuk Lee Virgin, limited to 1,000 copies. Marvel's number 1, 1 for 25 variant. Marvel's 1, Alan Qua trade dress, limited to 3,000 copies. Marvel's 1, Alan Qua Virgin, limited to 1,000 copies. Black Cat number 1, Ryan Brown trade dress, limited to 3,000 copies. Savage number 1, Jimbo Salgado trade dress, limited to 500 copies. Savage number 1, Jimbo Salgado Virgin, limited to 250 copies. Savage 1, Jimbo Salgado Black and White, limited to 250 copies. Venom 31, Kyle Hotz trade dress, limited to 3,000 copies. Venom 31, Kyle Hotz Virgin, limited to 1,000 copies. White Widow number 1, Sabine Reach Night. White Widow number 1, Sabine Reach Day. The covers connect. Death Metal number 1, Ryan Brown trade dress, limited to 3,000 copies. Death Metal number 1, Ryan Brown minimal, limited to 3,000 copies. Marvel's 1, Alan Qua trade dress, limited to 3,000 copies. Marvel's 1, Alan Qua Virgin, limited to 1,000 copies. Wonder Girl 1 for 50, J. Scott Campbell. Wonder Girl 1 for 25, Jolie Jones. Batman 108, Art Germ Foil. Batman 108, Federici 1 for 25. Legends of the Dark Knight 1 for 25, Federici. Phantom on the Scan, Piper Ruddock trade dress, limited to 175 copies. Phantom on the Scan, Piper Ruddock Virgin, limited to 125 copies. Shadow Man 1, Zoo or Zoo Black and White, limited to 250 copies. Shadow Man 1, Zoo or Zoo Virgin, limited to 250 copies. Shadow Man 1, Zoo or Zoo trade dress, limited to 500 copies. Joker 2, 1 for 50 variant, Trevor Hercene. Joker 2, 1 for 25, second print, black and white. Alien 1, Ryan Brown Virgin, limited to 1,000 copies. Thanks so much, guys, for watching that 150 books. Get over to our website, sub up to the newsletter, opt in for text notifications. If there's something there you saw, reach out to us. We probably have a couple extras after we fulfill orders. And man, we're going to be shipping all this stuff out. Probably you'll have your books before you see this video. That's just kind of the way we roll. Thanks so much, guys. Later.